channel. My name is Esther. If you haven't subscribed already, you should do so right now because I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday now. Twice a week. I know that's a lot, but why not? I have the time. Yeah. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is another freebies haul. This is mostly makeup. And I mean mostly makeup haul. So freebies makeup haul. I know, get excited. So let's just dive into the package. So this is everything here in this box. I decided to just put it in the box. And yeah, I'm just gonna dive through. There's no really concept of which way I'm going. So yeah. So the site that I use, as you guys know, is Imovie. I'll leave them down below. They're amazing. And they do the most awesome freebies on that site. And I also get emails from Viewpoints. So if you guys sign up to Imovie and you see they have a Viewpoints thing, sign up, get their stuff, because that's where I pretty much get everything. These are just press-on nails that you can spice up your nails. They only last for about a week. They're called Dashing Diva Magic Press-On Manicure. So you can just press them on. They have a black and white, a very sparkly one, black and white, black and silver, and they have this like orange one, which is very pretty. So these are the three that I got. I do not know when I'm going to be using them, but one of these days, I know they only last for up to 7 days, they say, so I wanted to wear them when I was away, but I knew they weren't going to last, so we'll figure out a use, maybe for a video or something. So that's the first thing. Next we have, this is from Pop Sugar. This is a face trio. This is actually cruelty-free from Pop Sugar. I have not tested these stuff out yet, so I don't have any real opinion on them, but I will be testing them out on Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram at Esther_YT, which I'll be doing probably like an IG or like an Insta story and put it in my highlights. So this is a face trio in tea time. This must be a highlighter. Very pretty, comes with a mirror. This is the blush. Very pretty. This is very good for if you want to travel. And there's one more. This must be like a bronzer. Very pretty. They're all very sparkly, I noticed. For highlighter, yes, but everything else, but I will definitely test this, and I will let you guys know what I think about it on Instagram. Next is another thing from Beauty by Pop Sugar. This is a eye trio. So these are very good for traveling. I don't know where you can get them, but if I can find a link to buy this, I will definitely leave it down below. So this is the first, very pretty. Like a black. Very pretty. Okay. So this is the second one. Very pretty. And this is the last color. I'll definitely let you guys know what I think. This is in the color Dubai. These are the color, that's the name of this trio. So if I can find it, I will let you guys know. Packaging is like really cute, I believe. Oh, they have, guys, I just figured this out. So these are the colors of the products. Those are the colors, as you guys saw. And yeah. Next, lastly, the makeup. These things came in this bag. Next is from Makeup Forever. It was a makeup wipe that you could like kind of reuse. I used it. I thought it worked pretty well. I know they're gonna be at Generation Beauty, so if I see them, I'll definitely get another one and test test them out for you guys in an upcoming video. So from Sephora, you can get free face masks. Those are it. Just little ones, which last for at least 2 tries. So you get a gray clay mask, a pink one, and a green one. Yeah, free from Sephora. Sephora always has like things like this. So from Buzz Agent, this is Buzz Agent. I got these dryer things, washer things for my parents to use. So yeah, fun adulting stuff, you know? It works. So this is from Because, and this is a this is a skinny matte lip crayon in the color Pink Paradise. It's very bright. I will do a swatch for you guys, of course. As you can tell, it's very, very bright. I'm not sure when I'm gonna wear this, but I'll figure it out. And yeah, thank you Because for this. Next is from WCS, is like a National Wildlife. It is a reusable straw. So, or I thought it was. I think it is. A reusable straw. I thought it was gonna be metal, but that's what it looks like, free straw. And lastly, which is what the box came is from Thrive Cosmetics, which is an awesome company that they sent certain people products, which I said, can I have? So this is their Build a Blur CC cream and their blend sponge. So it already launched the date, and they're available in 18 shades. I haven't tested it out. I have to test it out hopefully this week. They are available August 1st, which is orange pack. So you guys can get it, and it has SPF 35, which is very rare in a foundation that has SPF. Came in this really pretty big makeup case, which is really awesome for traveling. So they gave me 2 things, 2 different colors, Fair Light, and then they gave me Fair, which I'm not sure which one is actually my shade because I'm still in like summer coloring, you know, because I was at the beach. So these are the 2. I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll leave their information down below. And this is their makeup sponge, which is awesome. So I'm definitely going to test this out, and I'll be doing a Instagram video, Insta story, or probably more of a post, like a before and after picture of testing these out. So that is all the freebies that I got these past months that I've been saving up to make a video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below which was your favorite freebie that I got, because it was mostly makeup. I liked it all. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on my social media, mainly on Instagram, because I've been posting a lot lately, and I'm pretty proud of myself on that. I love Instagram lately, so since I have the time, like I said. And I'll see you guys next. When is this being posted? I don't know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. And bye.